Could you imagine to cook a meal, work on a project, or study for a college degree without having access to electricity? Did you know that an estimated 1.2 billion people in the world do not have access to light at home, even during the day? Imagine transforming the life of people by bringing light to them.
Hi, my name is Vincent from Invensity, and we want to support Litter of Light because they provide technology and knowledge to people in poverty. And I think that's a very smart and sustainable way to improve the quality of life of these people.